Okay, vlog number 2, headed to Powder Coat once again. Today is August 10th, 2021, and I'm lucky today. The AC is working in the truck, so I'm pretty excited about that. I have a chassis on the trailer that I'm bringing with me, and then I'll be picking up another car. I think this one's gray and white again. Another car, I believe, headed to Texas, and the car that I'm bringing to Powder Coat right now is headed to Texas also. So we'll see what we can do for you today as far as vlogging. We are in the shop, going on, lots going on. We have another stock car on the second jig. The video that you'll be seeing where you see two fabricators, Paul and Luke, working on a car that's a hobby stock car. We just wrapped up a couple cars that need lettering. They're gonna get lettered tomorrow. So we'll have a little bit of a video clip of those cars getting lettered tomorrow. Got 2 of them. And our letter person is Snap Graphics out of Mapleton, Minnesota. He does most of our sticker work for our chassis, vinyl for the house cars, and anything else kind of that we need him to get done. Yeah, so that's what we got going on for today. So once I get to Powder Coat, I'll jump back on and give you a little bit of another rundown of dropping off and picking up. All right, see you soon. All right, so we are locked and loaded from Powder Coat. I got here right at 3:30, so I felt kind of guilty, so didn't tape the load up process, but you guys don't need to see that. So here we go. We are loaded, and we will head. Am I in your parking spot? Well, I'm giving you free advertisement. Hoosier North in Rogers, Minnesota. That is about, I'd say, a good hour and 15 minutes north of the B&B Racing Chassis shop. And Hoosier North is the distribution center for where we get our tires. I have called Blake and Scott up there and hopes that they will visit with us a little bit today on the tire shortage, and hopefully we'll kind of get some answers as far as what is a tire shortage. Is it material? Is it workers? Is it trucking? What's the situation with the tire shortage? We right now, normally when I come up here, I usually have to bring a trailer because we in the past have gotten between 60 to 100 tires every Thursday, Friday. And this year we unfortunately have been limited to 15 to 20 tires a pickup. Hence the reason why we are limiting our customers to 1 to 2 tires per person. So again, like I said, we're just headed up here to Rogers, Minnesota, to Hoosier North to get our weekly pickup of tires. Not sure what I'm going to get today, but hoping that Blake and Scott will be happy to talk to us and explain what's going on at the Hoosier company, and maybe get a sneak peek, see if they have any answers as far as maybe what will happen come Super Nationals here in just a few short weeks away. All right, so stay tuned and we'll be with you shortly. Okay guys, so I'm here with Blake from Hoosier North. I'm here to pick up my tires for the week, and just thought I'd grab Blake for a few minutes and find out kind of what the deal is with the tire shortage, find out what his area is. Blake, how long have you been here at Hoosier North?
So I started here as a senior in high school, just unloading tire trailers. So I was 17, 18, 38 now. Worked for Pat and Patsy up until December. December they decided they wanted to retire and go on the pontoon and do the Florida life thing. So Scott and I took over. What a great year to take over, right?
Right.
It's let's go to the shortage part of it all, and it's multiple things. It's we're 70 employees short at the factory. That's number one. That's probably our biggest problem. Number two, nylon, natural rubber, that stuff is all being allocated to us from our, I guess you call it suppliers on the raw material side of it. And then the third thing is demand is so high. I don't know if there's more race cars out there. It doesn't, it seemed like at the start of the year, just the numbers were crazy, and we just couldn't keep up because of all the things I said previous. But yeah, wild year. It's been tough for Scott and I to try to allocate to every one of our dealers going to these racetracks, because everybody needs them. I mean, I could give you 100 today if I had them, but I can't. You're going to get your allotment, and it's too bad. I feel awful for the racer, because it's their hobby. Some of them count on income from it. But yeah, I feel for everybody involved.
So as for your dealers, how many dealers do you have? Because you don't only deal with just right here in the northern part of Minnesota. You go a little bit further,
Yeah,
right?
right. So we stretch from Montana, Wyoming, North and South Dakota, Wisconsin, Minnesota. I've got one asphalt track in Rockford, Illinois. I got a few asphalt tracks in the UP of Michigan. We've got a couple tracks in Canada. So that's kind of my main area.
Right.
That region, I guess you call it.
Right. So when people think of Hoosier North, they're thinking just right here in
No,
Minnesota, and
yeah,
it's
no.
a lot.
Yeah.
Like, so you're not just dealing with B&B
Right.
or, you know, just
Yeah.
central little racetracks dealers.
No,
You're
right.
dealing with a very
Yeah.
large scheme. So
It's-
you may get 500 tires, but you have to distribute that
That's-
throughout.
That's what makes it so tough. Is that if I and I'm not getting 500 IMCA tires a week. 'Cause
Right.
I wish I was, but you know, the factory's in the same boat as me, where they're only making so many a week, and then I get my allotment, and then I take my allotment and give it to the probably 15 to 20 IMCA dealers. You know, so it's a slow trickle, and the numbers get smaller as they come. You know, so it's,
Right. And it's not only IMCA tires that are
No.
short, it's Wissota, it's...
I've been short on every single line of tires I do, whether it's ATV, motorcycle, right rear sprint car tires have been really hard all year. Now we're running into problems with soda. We've got some stuff coming to relieve that a little bit. IMCA's been like that, as you know, all year. We sell Bassett wheels here. I can't get wheels. It's frustrating. It really is.
Right. And as far as, do you have one of the lingering questions that we're getting all the time at the shop is, what's going to happen for Super Nationals? Have you heard any rumblings from Hoosier?
I don't. No,
You
I
don't?
don't
Okay.
know. It's not my territory. That would be
Right.
Hoosier Tire Midwest. I'm sure they're in conversations every day to try to figure something out. But I'm sure
Yep.
that's on the top of their list. Yeah.
Perfect. Well, I guess we will go ahead and get our
Yeah.
tires loaded up
Well,
and
thanks for stopping by.
yeah. All right. Thanks.
All right. Thanks.